10 Simple Ways for Single Moms to Make Extra Money. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button to subscribe and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money, ladies. Despite all my degrees and having a job that pays well and provides benefits, but I could always use some extra cash to help with rent, groceries, and frivolous spending. In my search for income, I discovered a slew of options for single moms to generate money without having to drive around with strangers in their cars, like beginning a work-from-home business, online real estate investing, and other internet opportunities. One, stop overpaying for things online. Shopping on the internet has its advantages. It's very convenient, but finding the greatest offers can take a long time. Capital One shopping is a great alternative to searching for coupon codes, which don't always work, and opening multiple browser tabs to compare prices. Capital One shopping makes it simple to save money. Simply install the browser extension, and when you check out, they'll automatically apply the greatest discount code from their vast database to help you save money. Capital One shopping will tell you with a polite pop-up before you check out at favorite stores like Amazon, Target, Nike, and Best Buy if the item you're buying is available cheaper somewhere else. Capital One shopping is ad-free and will never display ads. Add it to your cart right now and quit overpaying. 2. Sign up for the website that has paid out more than $17 million for taking surveys. Your opinion is valuable, but did you know it might also make you money? You can earn money by answering simple surveys for Fortune 500 companies like Walmart, Apple, FedEx, and others through branded surveys. But here's the thing, candid feedback is crucial. These businesses rely on your input to innovate and develop new products and services. You can get paid a significant sum of money if you complete their surveys. It's being done by over 2 million people, and branded surveys has paid out over $17 million to date. What's the best part? Signing up is completely free, and as a new member, you'll receive 100 additional points. As a newcomer to the group, it takes less than 30 seconds to get started, and you can start earning money right now. Number 3, make money by shopping and delivering packages. It's easy to make additional money as a full-service shopper with Instacart. Simply shop for groceries and deliver them. It's easy to sign up, and you can create your schedule and choose the hours that are most convenient for you. The greatest part? With their immediate cash-out option, you can get paid within an hour of delivery. Instacart can even advise you on the best days to work to help you optimize your earnings. Number 4, find a side hustle that could bring in extra money in the thousands of dollars. Consider having an extra $5,000 in your bank account this year. What would you do with it if you had it? You may pay off debt, reduce your debt, and perhaps even take a well-deserved holiday. And having a few $1,000s in the bank could help make it happen. Fortunately, it is not difficult to attain. While there are many ways to supplement your income, one of the most effective is to engage in a side hustle. But, with so much garbage and con artists out there, how can you tell which chances are genuine? And how do you know which side hustle will make you money? FinanceBuzz.com is here to help. We make it simple for you to find the ideal side hustle that matches your abilities, requirements, and available time. Stop wasting hours on side hustles that don't work out. Just answer a few questions, and in less than 60 seconds, we'll match you with the perfect side hustle that could help you earn some serious cash on the side. Number 5, make an Amazon gift card out of a snapshot of your supermarket receipt. What's one expenditure that won't go away, even if you're on a limited budget? The cost of your groceries. With an app that allows you to earn gift cards by taking pictures of your supermarket receipts, you can now get paid for your groceries. You'll only need your phone and the Fetch app to get started. Simply take a photo of your receipt once you've finished purchasing. Points are awarded for your photo. The points can then be exchanged for gift cards at prominent retailers such as Amazon, Target, and Nike. Bonus: enter this referral code, BUZZ, before scanning your first receipt to receive 2,000 bonus points. Number 6, with Uber Eats, you can get paid up to 5 times a day for delivery. Do you own a car, a motorcycle, or a scooter and want to make some additional money this month? If you're looking for a quick meal, go no further than Uber Eats. You can deliver meals across town anytime and wherever you want with Uber Eats and be paid. Simply download the app and submit your documents. Once you've been notified that you're active, you may begin earning right away. What's the best part? You have the opportunity to be your boss. There are no supervisors or minimum delivery timeframes, and instant pay allows you to cash out your profits up to 5 times every day, and you keep 100% of your tips, and you may be able to earn even more with promotional bonuses if you deliver during peak hours. You can roll down the windows, turn up the jams, and start earning whenever you want with contactless deliveries and the car to yourself. Number 7. Get paid to make deliveries when it's convenient for you. Making deliveries with DoorDash allows you to be your boss and create your schedule. Customers order from a list of establishments in your neighborhood, including Starbucks, Chipotle, and hundreds of others. The app then sends orders to any logged-in Dashers in the area. Simply pick up the food, deliver it, and be paid. You keep 100% of the delivery charge, as well as any tips or boosters. Dashers make between $15 and $25 per hour on average. By default, all orders are no contact due to COVID-19. You can work as little or as much as you desire. Because you establish your hours, you have complete control over your earnings potential. All you need is a car, a smartphone, and the desire to be a Dasher. Number 8. Find out how you can save an extra $2,076 in taxes this year. You know how difficult it is to keep track of all your costs for taxes if you're a side hustler, gig worker, freelancer, small business owner, or solo entrepreneur. You don't want to miss anything, but you're not sure if that Spotify subscription or latte should be deducted from your budget. Keep a Tax can assist you in identifying tax write-offs in your purchases. The average Keep a Tax member saves $2,076 in additional taxes per year. How it works is as follows. Keep a Tax will automatically scan your past purchases for tax write-offs after you connect your financial accounts. They'll pair you up with a human bookkeeper to help you keep track of your finances and purchases. There is no need for manual entry, categorization, or receipts. With Keep a Tax's assistance, over 50,000 people have saved over $40 million on their taxes. Number 9. Get paid for your diabetic strips that haven't been used. Diabetes affects millions of Americans and can be both unpleasant and costly. However, if you or someone you know suffers from the disease, there is now a new opportunity to make some additional cash. Cash for Diabetics is a new firm that will pay you up to $30 for any unused diabetic test strips you have. It's as easy as dropping off your unopened products in their free mailing kit, and they'll send you a check between 2 to 8 business days. Signing up is completely free and takes less than a minute. Stop wasting your unused test strips and start earning money with them. Number 10. In just 5 minutes a day, you can become a better money manager. It's all about the statistics when it comes to being wealthy. Worthy is a state of thought. You belong in Worthy, our brand new personal finance community, if you're passionate about increasing your net worth and becoming financially independent. Join Worthy and you'll get expert advice on how to make more money, invest wisely, and save for the life you want, all delivered to your email for free. Get unique insider information and special deals while staying up to date on the latest news and trends that could affect your budget. Join the thousands of Worthy subscribers who are becoming more financially savvy every day. In conclusion, there are a plethora of videos online that offer limitless ways to make money. But it doesn't have to be difficult, and you don't have to sell your items on Craigslist or Etsy, drive for Uber or Lyft, or sift through low-paying tasks on Fiverr or Mechanical Turk. If you have access to the internet, you can do almost anything we've suggested. Consider switching to one of the ways to make money offered above, if you're spending too much time on social media. You might also use some of that free time to enroll in an online school to learn valuable freelancing skills. Your dedication to earning money and improving yourself will pay off in the long run. And as always, ladies, thank you for watching, and for regular updates, please hit the little cute button to subscribe and tap the bell icon. for future videos, and remember, let's make that money. Toodles.